Hi, my name is Gary. I am Director of Corporate Development at a major laser company, and I give iDeals a 5 out of 5. Well, prior to iDeals, we didn't have a VDR, so in communicating with investors or other stakeholders, it was just sending them a million email files. It's the first VDR, but we did extensively review other potential VDR systems. First, it was the one that was recommended by some of our well-informed business advisors. We have a business advisory board, so one person had been at a company that was happily a user, but in comparing the features myself, apart from the colleague recommendation, it just appeared that it was easy to use, and user friendly was key, because I am a financial and strategic planning executive, not at all an IT person. So it had to be idiot proof in terms of not requiring IT knowledge. So I noticed right off the bat that it seemed to be robust but intuitive to use. Getting started was not too difficult. I mean, it was an unavoidably laborious process of loading files, but and we didn't have a lot of topic-oriented zip drives ready to go, so because we had not had a VDR before, so but the process was easy, and actually it was useful, because in that way we formulated the right architecture for the folders and the file structure or the folders and the files within. So it took maybe one and a half person weeks. I mean, not 100% of the time, because again, I have other things to do in my work responsibilities, but a couple hours a day, or usually in the evening, not to interrupt the main workflow, I would do it. And then took maybe a week and a half of intermittent work to set up the files in a good logical structure. Yeah, when somebody is contemplating or getting started with VDR, with iDeals, there's no question that a little bit of trial and error, but easy, because you can see what you're doing and how it's working. They do have first-rate 24/7 customer service if you can't figure out how to do something. They also have, I prefer to use the online question Q&A or something, so you can they have pre-prepared answers on most topics, and you can type in a question, and it automatically the automated assistant comes back with the questions. But one resource that I didn't know about, but which I would advise everybody to be aware of, is they have a customer success manager set up, and our manager, she is excellent, and she's not necessarily the total technical guru, but she knows a lot. And then if you're having trouble getting an answer in the way you want from the 24/7 service, then she will absolutely run it through and get you the answer. So there's a lot of ways to. It's really hard not to succeed with iDeals, because they truly provide excellent support. Again, for non-software and systems gurus like me, business executive types.